Ledger just dropped their biggest deal of the year for Black Friday, offering up to 50% off certain wallets and up to $90 in free Bitcoin. The link to this deal is down in the description if you want to check it out while we quickly go over the deals, compare each wallet, and what each model offers. And one quick note about all of Ledger's wallets is that they're all equally secure, whether you get the most affordable option or the most premium option. Okay, starting with Ledger's entry-level wallet, the Nano S Plus, this is the only Ledger wallet that isn't mobile compatible because it doesn't have Bluetooth or a battery, so it has to be plugged in to use it. It's only $59 though, plus you get $10 worth of free Bitcoin for this deal. Next, we have the Nano X. This is a step above the S Plus because it has a battery and Bluetooth, so it is desktop and mobile compatible. It's also heavily discounted at 50% off, making it only $74 for Black Friday. Then we have Ledger's newest wallet, the latest addition to the Nano lineup, the Gen 5. This is now their entry-level touchscreen model. It has an e-ink screen, all wrapped in plastic. There's no discount on this wallet, but if you use my link, you still get $10 worth of free Bitcoin. Also worth noting, every Ledger touchscreen wallet now comes with the Ledger Recovery Card. This lets you securely store your seed phrase on a pin-protected card, so if you ever need to recover your Ledger wallet, instead of having to enter your seed phrase, you just hold this up to the back of the wallet, scan it, enter your PIN, and you're good to go. Just to be clear, this isn't a replacement for writing down your seed phrase, but rather it's an additional secure and convenient backup option. Now, if you want a more premium touchscreen wallet, the Ledger Flex is similar to the Gen 5, except it has an aluminum shell instead of plastic. Other than that though, it's pretty much the same, and it's $249, but you get $70 worth of free Bitcoin for this deal. And finally, we have the Ledger Stacks. This is their most premium wallet with their largest 3.7-inch curved e-ink screen. And this is $399, but you get $80 worth of free Bitcoin for the deal. But other than that, all the touchscreen models really work the same. Aside from their wallets, Ledger also has some solid deals on their accessories, such as the seed phrase plates. You can also get an additional $10 in free Bitcoin if you sign up for Ledger Recover. Some people love it, some people hate it. I'll let you decide. Now, if you want a more in-depth comparison of all the Ledger models, make sure to check out this video next. I'll see you over there. God bless.